This is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the daily stock market analysis, technical analysis show. We are going to look at tomorrow, November 15, Tuesday. What kind of trades can be taken, what trade plan can be made, and things like that, right? Basically, we would analyze what happened in the market today and then try to learn something from it and plan for a better trade. We try to wrap up in 10-15 minutes max. So let's look at the charts to begin with, and here's the Nifty charts that you see. So remember, let's look at the weekly view just wrap up where we are. So we have broken out over that resistance on Nifty. Banknifty also, we have a confirmed week which is broken out and made a new all-time high as well, but Nifty is yet to do that. And today is Monday, after a good bullish mega move on the Banknifty. Look at the gap size, right? 18 to 55, right? And the gap is at 18,000. It's a 250 plus kind of gap. That is what happened on Friday, and today is a Monday where the bulls got trapped. It's a bull trap. Banknifty, it's an inside bar. We had an indecisive Friday close. We discussed about that in weekly analysis. Indecisiveness continues today because today also we have a small body, but today is an inside bar, which indicates that the price has taken a pause. It's clear consolidation, that's what is indicated. Intraday, let's look at the 15 minutes, what happened today. We are range bound. So Nifty has been range bound in 100 points range. Banknifty has been range bound in a 300 point range. So basically it has been consolidating since a couple of days now. After Banknifty clearly consolidating. So that is visible if you put the Bollinger Bands, right? The band has taken a small bend. It had earlier taken that November 9th similar bend. That does not mean that we are consolidating. Right? For consolidation, it has this band has to come down and skews, and then this both bands will join together, and then there will be a small pipe kind of formation that will happen. That's when but right now it's a small consolidation that's evident, but very short term consolidation was indicated with the bullish bias is what Bollinger Bands has shown. Banknifty also, you can see that the band which is rising up has taken a bend last 2 days. There is some contraction has started, is visible here, but that could again another gap up, and that's all. So you need to wait for that confirmation of that. But consolidation, what is happening since last 2 days in Nifty, in Banknifty especially. Nifty today that happened, but otherwise the band is expanding. Let's look at the details. Right? So we closed flat today. Nifty and Banknifty both closed flat. That's 20 points and 40 points, right? But Banknifty formed an inside bar, which indicates a inside bar, bearish in nature, small body, indecisive nature, right? And Nifty formed a bearish bull trap. Trap the bulls. Bulls were taken down the trap when it closed below the previous candle's low. Okay. Intraday we saw it is flattish, it is range bound moves. Both indices are above the moving average and all, there's no problems. All the DEMS, exponential moving average, 20, 50, 100 is all clear. Both indices are confirmed, given a breakout. But it could turn out to be a fake breakout, that it could happen unless the rally continues. But it has given some kind of weekly confirmation of the breakout. Now it is taking its own sweet time. Levels 18,458 resistance upside, 18,608 above that. Two resistance Nifty. 18,255 downside support, previous swing low, and 18,179 and 18,103. It's a gap in a previous swing low, that kind of levels. It's Nifty, Banknifty 42,346 and 42,500 would be the resistance upside, previous swing highs, resistances 41,840 and 41,644 is the supports. One of them is a gap. That is support resistance levels that we're talking about. Right, this gap is support on the Nifty. This gap is support on the Banknifty. That's what it is. Bollinger Bands we already discussed in detail. Momentum is rising up, and no doubt about that, it's bullish. Trend is also rising up with strength, bullish. We already seen that the weekly analysis. We are not seeing that. We're using the IDX for them. trend indication and RSI for the momentum indicator. It's clearly rising momentum, bullish. VIX has had cooled off much near to 14.5, but small spike of 3.5% or something has happened today. 14 still close below the 15, which is bullish again. Futures open interest is showing there's some long unwinding on both the indices. Nifty and Banknifty both are showing long unwinding. Options why 18,000 and 90,000, that wide range. The Nifty is still there, 42,000 and 44,000, 2,000 point wide range with option. Sellers are looking at the market. So the option writers are bullish. They expect a big breakout that could potentially happen, and levels on downside also is very close by. So that options OI is clearly showing bullishness, although futures OI had a long unwinding day today, obviously. Below gone long has unwinded the positions today when it trapped the bulls. Brokerage is very close to the bullishness in the case of Nifty. 8.82 is close to bullishness. 1 is clearly bullish in the case of Banknifty. So options also in favor of bulls. VIX spiked up, but still nothing much. Still below 15. Bullish. Across sector performance, if you see FMCG underperformed 1.34%. That's the only sector that did really bad. Pharma, auto closed flat. IT, metal, realty, all this performed. That's where the buying happened. Realty, IT, metal, all these three sectors still maintain the bullish momentum in spite of a down day today. And rest of the sectors are not at the bearish one, but in the sideways ones in the shorter daily charts. Heavyweights, Infosys, TCS, Kodak, they all managed to close green. 0.60% to 1.25%. Reliance ICICI Bank did not move. 0.5 to 1.3% of downfall happened. So except the ICICI Bank, all are in the bullish zones, you can say. ICICI Bank has gone the sideways. Sectorial moves keeps on changing right now. IT, metal, and reality is performing, so it keeps on changing. And now in weekly analysis, we'll come to know what are leading sectors, and they keep on rotating that. That's why we study these sectoral charts, indices charts, basically. Now the good news is that if I was continued to buy it, even today it has 1,089 crores of buying in the cash market that happened. It has hardly sold 47 crores that's on the cash. So institutional support super. Crude is falling and it's less than 87, basically consolidating in the trendline channel. So it's okay. Momentum is sideways. So no worries there. Crude dollar is rising up, but it has given a very good pullback. 107 it has fallen till now. It's a rising today. Now, if you see the dollar is slightly spiking, but it has given a very good pullback that is needed. But rupee is still at 81.2 kind of levels, which is not that great. Rupee is still at low level, but this is a relief, big relief that the dollar has cooled off a little bit. Right? That's again positive there. Crude is also fallen and less than 90. That's also good. Gold is the hedge instrument is trying to bounce up the support zones from where it had fallen, and it had beautifully done that for the last 2 weeks. The green candles on the gold. The SIX as of now sees green. US index also as of now shows some red. So all these we'll have to see tomorrow pre-market. But US markets, if you see, it has given a very beautiful comeback. Right, it has taken out the channel top, taken out the resistance closed about. So this is what it is. But Nasdaq is not that looking that great, but still it has been a solid candle last week. Now, if it is able to take out this resistance at 12,900, that levels, then it means, right, the IT bottoming out and all that is over. Right, it may be a rally that maybe money may be flowing, the IT stocks back. So US markets have improved compared in the last week. So that is another good news for the bulls. Right. It remains is that the WPI CPI data has come in today. So it seems to be fine for India. And US CPI related, some inflation related some data is also coming this week, and some European countries data also. So some volatility can be expected if it turns out to be bad, but overall it seems to be okay. Our CPI also has improved, so that's again that even also can be a positive only mostly, but does not. So that's what we have in the events. To stock picks, HDFC Bank is breaking out. Mindtree also breaking out due to some margin news. Mindtree can give swing trades because it is having a W pattern breakout, looks like momentum is the bull zone, trend is the bull zone, it is sector itself is moving up, so it could give swing opportunities. HDFC clearly breaking out. Again, emergence there here also. See this, this could, it had given a pullback after last week's breakout, so that was a buying opportunity today. Even now, there's a possibility that it can take a support and then gather some more energy to break out. So it's a weekly chart, and it has to be on a daily. Yeah, but yeah, it's a long resistance that is taken out last Friday, so it would give you swing opportunities, and the supports could be where the breakout happened exactly. This candle low would be the stop loss. That HDFC Bank and Mindtree two long calls for tomorrow. Not tomorrow, just in the coming few days. Now that we have seen, we'll quickly wrap up and see what happened, right? So it paused today. Market paused today. It went range one, flattish day. Closes 20 point, 40 points loss, that's all. Remember, we had a breakout on, confirmed last week. Don't know whether it's going to be a fake breakout or not. No, all eyes on that. But Banknifty has done the all-time high already. Nifty is yet to do very close inches, 200, 300 points close by that. Today went near to the 400. That's just 200 points away. That's all. So market overall looks bullish from the price patterns, Bollinger Bands. Show some consolidation, but holding the 18k tight is what is the positive thing. The momentum indicators, trend indicators, price action. Call of the week's institutional buying and all in favor of the bulls. So the view for the next day, moderate bullish again, as the chart says. US market is also improving. VIX has cooled off, rupee has gained, dollar has cooled off. So all these are positive things. Levels to watch immediately: 18,000, 8,500 Nifty, and 41,500 and 42,500 Banknifty, right? So that's levels to watch and the view. My moderate bullishness for the next day, right? So that's it. What I have, and always hedge your positions with and define your risk when you're trading with options, especially put stop losses tight. Learn to protect your quality long-term investments. There are a lot of videos on that, option strategies like covered calls and all that. Check out that. That's it. So if this market study has helped you some way to frame your trade plan for the next day, or helped you in some way in a technical analysis, then definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, and then share to maximum. We have a few subscriptions. Appreciate your help. So put your comments, feedback, and all that. Thanks a lot. Happy trading. Happy learning. Bye bye.